Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your financial stability with UBS Wealth Management step by step clearly. Start by evaluating your current financial situation. Gather your financial statements including income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. Identify your short-term and long-term financial goals. Consider factors such as retirement, major purchases, and savings for emergencies. Next, research UBS Wealth Management services. Visit the UBS website to familiarize yourself with their offerings. Look for information on financial planning, investment strategies, and wealth preservation. Schedule a consultation with a UBS financial advisor. Prepare a list of questions and topics to discuss during your meeting. During the consultation, share your financial goals and current situation. Discuss your risk tolerance and investment preferences. Ask about UBS's approach to diversifying investments. Inquire about their strategies for market volatility and economic downturns. Request a personalized financial plan that aligns with your objectives. Once you receive the plan, review it thoroughly. Evaluate the recommended investment strategies and asset allocation. Clarify any areas that seem unclear with your financial advisor. Make necessary adjustments to the plan based on your feedback. Implement the financial plan by setting up accounts and investments with UBS. Monitor your financial progress regularly with your advisor. Schedule periodic reviews to adjust your plan as needed. Stay informed about market trends and economic changes. Communicate openly with your advisor to adapt strategies over time. By following these steps, you can protect your financial stability effectively with UBS Wealth Management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.